Ever tried to write code faster but feel like you're writing the next great novel instead? Let me tell you, I've been there and I've found two tools that promise to solve this. Let's see if they can actually live up to the hype. Today we're talking about two giants in the code completion world, Tabnine and Code. Spoiler alert, one's an AI assistant and the other is all about hands-on learning for students. But which one's right for you? Stick around to find out. First up is Tab9. Think of it like your coding sidekick, supercharged with AI. It integrates into all the major IDEs and offers a real-time code suggestions based on the context of what you're working on. And guess what? It learns from your code. Pretty cool, right? If you're looking for speed and efficiency, Tab9 cuts down your coding time by suggesting code as you type. It's a productivity game changer, but the trade-off, it can sometimes miss the mark with context-specific suggestions. So yeah, it's like having a helpful friend who sometimes interrupts with the wrong answer, but when it's right, it's really right. Now let's talk about code. Not to be confused with the generic term. We're talking about code.org. This one's all about teaching the next generation of coders with its free comprehensive curriculum. Whether you're a teacher or a student, Code.org is a great resource for getting the basics down and diving into the world of computer science. Sure, it's not going to write your code for you like Tab9, but it's the perfect starting point if you want to understand how the tech world works, especially in AI and coding. It's a real education tool that's shaping future developers, one lesson at a time. So here's the rundown. Tab9 is your AI-powered coding assistant, and it's all about productivity for those who already know what they're doing. On the other hand, Code.org is perfect for beginners who want to learn the ropes of computer science. No AI helpers, just pure education. Both are solid but they serve very different needs. So should you use them? Well, if you're already coding and need speed, go with Tab9. If you're already starting your coding journey, Code.org is the place to be. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments and hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.